Hey guys, welcome out to the shop. Today we're going to be working with some animals today. We have our rabbits. It's getting winter time. We got to start getting them so they're prepared for the cold weather. And also one of our does is pregnant right now, so we're getting her all ready as well. So what we got today is we're going to be making some nesting boxes, and I've got some OSB board right here. This is a 2x4 foot sheet of OSB board. It's about a ½ inch thick from Lowe's. This is the only thing that you're gonna need for material wise. This is gonna be a very simple box. It's about 11 inches wide, 20 inches in length, and about 10 inches tall. For your tools, all you're gonna need is some sort of saw and air gun or staple gun. We're going to be using a staple gun, and an optional material that you can use for the base of your nesting box is like cardboard, wire, and like wood if you drill some holes in it, something like that, or some kind of like wire flooring. But we have cages for our rabbits already, and all of their mess is just going to be falling through. We're going to be putting straw at the bottom of it anyway, so it'll make a lot easier cleaning up, you know, just to pull the nesting box off the top of everything, clean it out, put it down, fill it back in. So for your first cut, we are going to be making it 10 inches, and it's going to be the entire length of this piece of plywood. This is going to be dictating the height of your nesting box. So now that we've gotten the sides and the back cut, we're going to be cutting the top width, and it's going to be at 8 inches. The front is going to be cut at 5 inches in the height. So right now we have 3 pieces of wood. This is going to be your back piece, this is your top piece, and this is your front piece. Your width is this way, your height is this way. So what we need to do now is trim your width down to 11 inches wide. So we've got that 10 inch by 2 or 4 foot strip now, and we're going to be trimming it into 2 different sections at 20 inches. So we got the 2 sides here, and what we're going to do is get both of the rough sides placed together, and we're going to get it all squared up so these are nice and even. And what we are going to be doing, this is going to be our top side, so we're going to come from the back and measure at 8 inches, and then from the bottom, this will be the front, we'll measure it at 5 inches, and then we will take a square, straight edge, level, something that's somewhat straight, and we'll just make your mark. We'll make sure they stay together. We've gotten all of our parts cut out. So we have the very top, this will be the front, and this will be the back. And with the OSB, there's 2 different sides. There's one that's fairly smooth and one that's rough. And we're gonna be putting the smooth side towards where the rabbits are gonna be. And we'll just get this set up so we can get it all stitched together. And that's it. That is the basic of a nesting box. This nesting box only costs $5. All right, little guy, it's your turn to check it out. We got Lazy Bones over there. He's the only one that has gone in the nesting box so far, the white rabbit. But there it is. It is about 20 inches in length. The front is 5 inches, the top is 8 inches, and then the back obviously is 10 inches high, and the width of it is 11 inches. You gonna go in? Huh? Alright guys, that's it. That is the nesting box build. The reason why we went with OSB is because of the price. They're gonna get tore up and stuff like that, but for $5 I've got these made, and I can take them where I want them. Right now I'm not gonna put a bottom in them, and we're just gonna use the bottom of the cages and obviously the grass when we have them out there. But if you want to put a wire mesh or something on there, that's perfectly okay. But like I said in the beginning, it will make it a lot easier to be able to lift the nesting box up and clean out any straw or anything that you have in there, and then put it back and refill it. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I appreciate you guys watching. Give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next project.